Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Baking soda is a frequently used ingredient because of its ability to act as a leavener. In baking, a leavener helps cookie dough or batter to rise, as the cookies bake on the baking sheet. When baking soda is used in cookies, it gives the cookies a chewy, coarse texture. 8 August 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Baking powder may be used as a substitute for baking soda. Still, its leavening power is not as strong as that of plain baking soda. As a result, you'll need to use a greater quantity of baking powder to get the same final product. 15 March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.